How people escape poverty on a low salary. Two people can start with the same low salary, same job, same stress, same bills. But 5 years later, one still struggles to survive, while the other lives with stability, confidence, and options. The shocking truth? This difference is decided before real money ever appears. Not by luck, not by talent, not by a big promotion. It's decided quietly in the first 2 years. And today, I'll show you the exact system that makes wealth predictable, even on a low income. Stay until the end, because year 4 is where most people lose everything. Most people think low income is the problem. It's not. The real problem is financial chaos. Money comes in, bills attack it. Stress decides the rest. Saving only happens if something is left over, but wealth is never built from leftovers. It's built from structure, and structure always comes before spending, not after. Year 1. Take control. Year 1 starts with one decision. You stop reacting to money and start directing it. Let's say you earn $2,400 a month, before rent, before food, before life touches it. You automate $200 or $300 the moment your paycheck arrives. This removes choice. And when choice disappears, discipline becomes automatic. Next, you build a $1,000 emergency buffer. This is not savings. This is protection. Without it, every problem becomes a financial disaster. At the same time, you destroy high-interest debt. A low salary is survivable. High-interest debt is not. When a debt disappears, you don't increase lifestyle. You redirect that payment into investments. Same budget, different future. Year 1 isn't exciting, but it changes everything. Year 2. Create momentum. Year 2 is about proving one powerful truth. Your income is not fixed. You add one small side income, delivery driving, tutoring, freelancing, selling unused items. Even $200 extra per month changes your trajectory. But the real shift isn't the money. It's realizing you can manufacture income. At the same time, you increase your main income slightly. New skills, extra responsibility, small promotions. A $2 per hour raise invested for 4 years can grow into tens of thousands. By the end of year 2, you don't feel rich, you feel in control. Year 3. Identity changes. Year 3 is where panic disappears. You have savings. Debt is gone or shrinking. Investments are real numbers. You expand side income carefully. You improve job performance intentionally. You stop checking money with fear. You check it with curiosity. This is when you realize you're not chasing money. You're building a system, and systems work, even on bad days. Year 4. The most dangerous year. Year 4 is where most people fail, because things finally start working. Income rises, savings grow, investments compound, and comfort invites mistakes. Lifestyle inflation sneaks in quietly. This year is about optimization, not indulgence. You negotiate bills, cut waste, improve earning skills. Every saved dollar becomes an investment. This is also when you gain something priceless: options. And options are the first sign of real wealth. Year 5. Financial control. By year 5, the change is undeniable. Your salary no longer controls your life. You have automated investing, side income, higher earning skills, emergency protection, growing investments. You understand compound growth. You understand patience. You understand that wealth isn't luck. It's repetition. And the most powerful realization? The next 5 years grow faster than the first, because the engine is already running. Year 5 isn't the end. It's the beginning of control. If this video helped you, subscribe for more content that teaches real financial freedom, step by step. Start today. Stay consistent, because every decision compounds. This video is for educational purposes only. Your results depend on your actions.